Hello everyone, this is Akasha and come with a new trick. Today I will show you how easily make a golden ratio in a mathematical term. It's very easy, just watch the video. It's very easy mathematical trick. So we start the video. First 100 into 100, 100 plus 100, then 200 plus 100, then 300 plus 200, then 500 plus 300, and then 800 plus 500 pixel. Now I am taking a rectangular 100 into 100 pixel. Fill color none and stock color any stock color. Take any of stock color and make fill color none. 100 into 100 square, and then take a round circle 100 into 100, and then middle alignment the shapes. Now take a round circle 100 into 100, and select both and middle alignment. Beside this, take again 100 into 100. This I will copy that. Shift Alt copy, Shift Alt and drag that. Now 100 into 100 and 100 into 100, there will be 200. The square is 100 and upper square is 100. So 100 plus 100 will be 200. So there will be another square and a round circle will be same size. Okay. See, the upper and lower both 100 plus 100 will be 200. So now I will take another square 200 and also take a circle for 200 into 200. Middle alignment and alignment beside the now see 100 plus 200, there will be 300. First one 100 and the second one 200. So 100 plus 200, there will be 300. So next shape and round will be 300 into 300. So the next circle and round will be, the circle and the square will be 300 into 300. Make fill color none and make a stroke. And place it on the bottom. 300 into 300 circle, alignment in the middle both. Select that and do alignment middle. Place that Now see, the upper one is 200 and bottom one is 300. So 300 plus 200 will be 500. So next one will be 500. 500 into 500, circle and square. By this process, you can learn easily golden ratio for any logo. For the critical logo, golden ratio is the best system. Drag and place. Place with the smart guide. Now see, the new one is 500 and before one is 300. So 300 plus 500 will be 800 and it's complete. The last one will be 800 into 800. 500 plus 300 will be 800. So 800 into 800 circle and 800 into 800 square. Select both middle alignment and place that on their position. So viewers, it's complete. By this process, you can make easily a golden ratio.